Bonjour trekkers, and welcome back to my channel. And today we'll be diving into an epic day of exploration on the beautiful island of Tahiti, French Polynesia. From traditional welcomes at the airport to exploring the island's beauty. So get ready for a day filled with adventure and cultural delight. Let's go. Now before we begin, let me just give a rundown of French Polynesia. So French Polynesia is an overseas collectivity of France, located in the South Pacific Ocean, comprising of 118 islands and atolls. It is spread over a vast area. The capital is Papeete, located on the largest island, Tahiti. French Polynesia is known for its stunning landscapes, including turquoise lagoons, coral reefs, and volcanic peaks. It holds a rich Polynesian culture, blending traditional customs with French influence due to its colonial history. Famous destinations within French Polynesia include Tahiti, Bora Bora, Marae, and the Marquise Islands, attracting visitors with their pristine beaches, vibrant marine life, and unique cultural experiences. Now back to the trip at hand. So our flight arrived in Papeete Tahiti from Los Angeles at around 6 a.m. in the morning, and we were welcomed by the sweet sounds of Tahitian music and also the mesmerizing sway of the traditional dancers. The airport was so busy. A symphony of arrivals came in, but the lively music actually made it feel like a festive celebration. Now the first hurdle, immigration. A small airport with 3 international flights arriving at the same time meant there would have been a bit of a wait. But guess what? That Tahitian music never left our side. An hour later, we were through, spirits high, and ready for that island adventure. Now, after the immigration process, the next stop was by the car rental. Now, the process was fairly smooth, and once we had our keys, we were ready to unravel the treasures of Tahiti. Now, remember, the journey matters as much as the destination. Driving out of Papeete Airport for the first time offers a mix of excitement and a touch of island charm. The road leads you through the lush landscapes of Tahiti, with palm trees and vibrant tropical vegetation. The French Polynesian breeze accompanies your journey, and you might catch glimpses of the turquoise ocean along the way. While the traffic might be busy near the airport, the scenery and the anticipation of exploring the beautiful island make the drive more memorable. So first on our checklist, a pit stop at Parc Vaipoopoo, where we grabbed a quick delicious bite from a food truck for breakfast, setting the culinary tone for the day. This actually gave us a taste of Tahitian flavors to pretty much fuel our island exploration. Vaipoopoo Park is a magnificent park, and it's noticeably very well maintained. It's really a very beautiful spot to see, offering very nice walks along the shoreline. Also, Vaipoopoo Park has one of the best views in Tahiti of her sister island, Moorea. The food trucks at Vaipoopoo are very popular with the locals and visitors from other parts of the island. You're sure to find something to your taste. For us, we went with the poke bar. So take a seat, relax, and admire the view over Moorea. As you soak up the local atmosphere, sitting beneath the trees and watching local children in the nearby play area, you will soon fall under the spell of this friendly, easygoing place. The next stop was at Plage Vaiava, where we dipped our toes in the gentle Pacific waters, the perfect prelude to a day filled with Tahitian wonders, crystal clear waves, and warm sand, island paradise at its finest. Vaiava Beach is popularly known as the beach at PK18. It is acknowledged to be the most beautiful beach in Tahiti and is a favorite place for local families to come for picnics and to spend the day swimming in the crystal clear water. There is ample parking space and public showers and conveniences located at Vaiava Beach. Now it was time to soak in some culture. Our next stop, the Museum of Tahiti and the Islands, a treasure trove of Polynesian history and art. From ancient artifacts to contemporary creations, we immerse ourselves into the vibrant tapestry of Polynesian heritage. The Museum of Tahiti and the Islands, nestled in lush surroundings, not only delves into the cultural tapestry, it also features exhibits on the region's geology, flora, and fauna. From traditional artifacts and navigational tools to captivating displays on Tahitian mythology, the museum is a comprehensive exploration of the archipelago's identity. Visitors can immerse themselves in the beauty and complexity of French Polynesia's past and present within this enriching cultural institution. Now, after our visit to the museum, we then attempted to explore the island's secrets. Now, first up was the mystical caves of Maraa. Then a visit to the Arahurahu Marae, which is an ancient site steeped in history and mystery, with each step uncovering the tales of Tahiti's past. Maraa Cave is a captivating limestone cave system in Tahiti. With intricate stalactite formations and an underground river, it offers a unique adventure for those exploring the island. The cave's mystical atmosphere and geological wonders make it a fascinating destination for nature enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. Beyond the cave, a scenic hike leads to a breathtaking lookout point, providing panoramic views of Tahiti's lush landscape. The combination of exploring the cave's depths and ascending to the lookout adds an adventurous dimension, making it a must-visit destination for those seeking both geological wonders and stunning vistas. Arahurahu Marae, nestled within lush greenery, reflects the architectural prowess of Polynesian ancestors. The stone platforms and tikis showcase exquisite craftsmanship, with each carving holding symbolic meaning rooted in Tahitian mythology. The marae was a sacred space for important ceremonies, including religious rites, tribal meetings, and celebrations. Exploring this historical site provides not only a visual feast of ancient art, but also a profound connection to the spiritual and communal aspects of Polynesian life. Now, after attempting to explore the island's secrets, we then ventured into Papeete. The vibrant town center beckoned, and we meandered through the bustling streets, soaking in the lively atmosphere. A must-stop, the market, the colors, aromas, and vibrant craft, a sensory overload in the best way possible. And also, don't forget to look out for the street art. Papeete, the vibrant capital of Tahiti, seamlessly combines urban charm, maritime allure, and artistic expression. The marina serves as a bustling waterfront, adorned with boats and yachts, surrounded by lively cafes and shops. As you navigate the streets, you'll encounter captivating street art, adding a colorful and creative dimension to the cityscape. Papeete becomes a canvas where the maritime and artistic elements coalesce, creating a dynamic and culturally rich experience for those exploring the specific gem. Papeete Market is a bustling marketplace in Tahiti, offering a sensory feast for visitors. The vibrant stalls showcase a kaleidoscope of fresh produce, local craft, and exotic goods. The lively atmosphere is heightened by the sounds of vendors haggling, and the enticing aroma of tropical fruits and traditional dishes. Papeete Market provides a glimpse into the daily life of Tahitians and is a must visit for those seeking a cultural and culinary immersion in the heart of the capital. Now, as the day unfolded, it was time to return the rental car. A big shout out to the rental car company Avis for not just being efficient, but also dropping us off at the port to board our cruise in time. And there she was, the Gauguin, a floating haven waiting for us at the port. The excitement soared as we stepped inside floating paradise. From luxurious cabins to exquisite dining, every corner was a testament to the epitome of cruise elegance. What a day! From the airport beats to the cruise streets, Tahiti, you've definitely captured our hearts. If you're ready for more travel tales and cruise adventures, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, trekkers, I'll be until. See you soon!